The STRICH SEP-150S digital piano bundle gives beginners a full-size 88-key layout with semi-weighted, touch-sensitive keys that feel surprisingly close to an acoustic instrument. With a generous library of 128 built-in sounds, this keyboard makes it easy to move from classic piano voices to strings and modern synth textures without feeling limited. The inclusion of 200 preset rhythm patterns across many musical styles turns simple practice sessions into more engaging, band-like playing experiences. This bundle is thoughtfully equipped with a stand, sustain pedal, headphones, and a music rest, so new players can start practicing comfortably right out of the box. Its straightforward controls and clear layout make it simple to navigate sounds and rhythms, which is especially helpful for students who do not want to wrestle with a complicated menu system. Despite being a home-focused digital piano, the relatively slim body and included accessories make it practical to relocate between rooms or small performance spaces when needed.